Hey guys, welcome back. Got another short unboxing to share with you. More upgrade for the truck. And I really wanted to get this for the truck because I believe it's going to come in very useful. This one. So I got the front and rear InnerFenders or rear wells for the truck. I want to be able to hide all those wires. I don't want any of that to be showing through. So if you just there we go. There we go. Basically, it hides all the wires. That's what it does. It just hooks up right there. These two screws. So I'm gonna undo those screws and get this thing installed, and we should be good. The only thing is I have this right here, which is causing a little bit of an issue, which I could probably take off and then reinstall if I have to. But I think we'll be okay. But just ruin the screws. But let me see. Let me try that. Anyway, guys, that's what I have. And I wind these for a while, but kept coming out. And this is for the back. Same way. Go down there. You have this brace for the rear. They're attached to there, here. Get them both attached so they're going to be more sturdy. Surprised they didn't give me any hardware. All right, guys, here we go. Got the fenders going on. Front, back. Pretty cool. I didn't get the rails, only because I might get aluminum rails. But I want to show you. Let me get the body on so you can see with the body on. Stand by. Alright guys, there's with the body on. It looks nice and dark in there. No wiring. Can't see any wiring through the body. To the wheel well. It's pretty cool. Cars are nice and clean. The only thing I noticed that it kind of picked up the body just a tad bit, but no big deal. I could probably make it stick a little further down, but other than that, it looks clean. Looks really clean. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.